Hello, explorers! Welcome back to Wild Quest TV. Today, we are diving deep into the blue ocean to meet the kings of the sea, sharks. Are you ready for 10 jaw-dropping facts? Let's go! Fact 1. No bones. Did you know sharks don't have a single bone in their bodies? Their skeleton is made of cartilage, the same soft stuff in your ears and nose. Fact 2. Tooth factory. Sharks are like tooth factories. They can lose and regrow thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Some have over 30,000 teeth. Fact 3. Super sniffers. Sharks have a super sense of smell. They can smell a single drop of blood in a giant swimming pool from far away. Fact 4. Deep sleepers. Most sharks never stop moving. They need to keep swimming to stay alive and breathe through their gills. Fact 5. Old-timers. Sharks have been around for a long time. They are older than dinosaurs. They've been swimming in the ocean for 400 million years. Fact 6. Skin like sandpaper. If you touched a shark, don't try this. It would feel like sandpaper. Their skin is covered in tiny, tooth-like scales. Fact 7. The whale shark. The biggest shark is the whale shark. It's as big as a school bus. But don't worry, it only eats tiny plankton. Fact 8. Glowing in the dark. Some small sharks can actually glow in the dark. It helps them hide from bigger fish in the deep, dark sea. Fact 9. Super speed. The Mako shark is the fastest shark. It can swim as fast as a car on a highway. Zoom! Fact 10. Nature's cleaners. Sharks are very important. They keep the ocean healthy by cleaning up weak and sick fish. They are the ocean's superheroes.
Okay, friends, it's quiz time. Can you guess the right answer? Question 1. What is a shark's skeleton made of? Wood, cartilage, iron? The answer is cartilage. Question 2. Which shark is as big as a school bus? Great white shark, hammerhead shark, whale shark? The answer is the whale shark. Final question. Are sharks older or younger than dinosaurs? The answer is sharks are older than dinosaurs. They are true survivors. Great job, Wild Quest explorers! You are shark experts now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!